My name is Patrick. Me and my group members, Gurleen, Dylan, and Omar, are presenting about the company L'Oreal. So, L'Oreal is a world-leading beauty company which fails to fulfill an important mission, which is the capability of bringing their cosmetics to a new level. L'Oreal states a variety of their products are 100% vegan. However, continuing to test on animals, this is not to be claimed true. It is our goal to create a position which focuses on enhancing the company through implementing 100% vegan products, through eliminating animal testing, thus creating a more ethical company.
So, with the company of L'Oreal, it has really well established itself, and for that reason, it's become one of the largest international companies today, especially in cosmetics, beauties, and other aspects like that. Overall, in 2019, they've been able to make a revenue of 29.87 billion euros, and especially being a company of since 1909, starting in France, it's really innovated itself, developed in many aspects, and have always constantly quoted or have really preached to provide high quality products to their consumers. And with that, they've always kept in mind having well established prices for that reason. So with L'Oreal, their mission statement has for till by 2020 has been sharing beauty with all. And they've done this in the fact that they've internationally expanded themselves very much so in over 150 different countries, and recently in the coming past 5 or 6 years have been able to develop their men line of products as well, to showing that beauty is for all individuals and everyone is welcomed or a liable consumer for L'Oreal itself. So for L'Oreal, the company itself, it has been able to establish itself with 40 different types of established plants around the world of their manufacturing products, and financially they have helped because they provided over 88,000 employees around the world with different jobs, and overall their plants have built a reputation in which they 86% of their products are made in these plants to qualify safety and other aspects like that. Within the 2019 annual report of L'Oreal, they more specifically were able to increase their sales by 8%. And geographically, they've really had been able to improve upon the Asia Pacific market, including countries such as China and India. China specifically, we do talk about with their regulations how they are one of the main countries where animal testing is a continuing issue that we will touch on, and the fact that L'Oreal has improved in European countries as well, such as Spain. Through business for L'Oreal, they've been able to help provide products in different lines such as skincare, makeup, hair care, and other products like that. So they have built a well-rounded reputation for themselves, but the problem still continues to lie in the fact that they lack their ethical values, which at hand are still very important for the development of a company and overall, as with them with such a high standard, high reputation, they do at some point need to fulfill their role to being one of the leading industries. They should value their ethics as well.
Um, so for creating a role within the new branch that the company is taking, we need new jobs. So qualifications for the role would include a dedication to making L'Oreal a cruelty-free company, not only just in North America or several countries, but all around. So it's a whole rebranding. A strong industry knowledge, so whether that's with beauty, um, whether that's with creating the actual product itself, just general knowledge in how the beauty market works and the scientists basically to make the products without animal cruelty. Also, marketing knowledge, how we're going to market the new products after we take off all the old ones. So that goes to my next point where we're working a strict schedule to help take all non-cruelty free products off the shelf. So whatever is on there right now, we take that off and put the new product on. So our image is now all about cruelty free and without animal testing. After that, the salary pay, I believe it should be about 60,000 a year, just because it's a whole rebranding of the company. Um, they're changing their whole manufacturing line to stop animal testing. So I feel like that would be about 60K a year would be uh, pretty adequate. And then for recruiting candidates, it would mostly consist of thorough interviews. So we'd go over their background experience, background jobs, um, basically if they're good experienced, if they know what they're doing, if they've been around the same idea that we're doing right now, then they would probably get hired.
Responsibilities within this company include using your ethics and moralities as a human, create new ways to test our cosmetics without the use of animals while costing less to test. So basically, we want our company to become a cruelty free area, which is why we need this career job so that we can remove it. Construct a plan to make sure our products are vegan friendly while costing less to produce. So we want to be able to, as a company, provide to all. And within making vegan friendly products, it allows for us to expand more into other people. We'd like you to present ideas to our board of directors. So with your ideas, we would be presenting them in front of our board. And with our board, they would decide on whether this idea should be used, what it should not. It's a good idea, but we can't implement it yet. Whatever. You would have to present in front of them, and they would critique it. So you would have to also deal with complaints and suggestions from current workers and customers on how we can make our company more ethical. So how does this add value to our company? Removing animal testing from the testing process allows for better publicity from media, which allows for more sales. It also gives us a cleaner image. So making our products vegan allows for greater possible population of sales. So if we are allowed to open our products up to vegans or people that are against using animals in testing, it would allow for more sales because now they can buy our products. Successfully finding new ways to test our products animal free and making them vegan at a cheaper cost will allow for more profit on top of the increase of customers. So if we can find new ways that are able to test our products without animals and make vegan products at a cheaper cost, it will allow for more profit of our company and allow increase in our range of customers. And then finally, removing animal testing allows for L'Oreal to brand themselves as a cruelty-free company, which is loved by a majority of people. No one wants to see animals die or be cruelly tortured for our own, so this is a great way to move forward. So cultivating our growth, changing to a cruelty-free company allows the business to promote itself as such through commercials and ads, which give more positive exposure, which is what we need. We need more positive exposure and get the fact that we are a cruelty non-free company. We need to be able to remove that and put a new stamp on us. And then we have to match the advantages of our competitors that we currently have. So the advantages our competitors would currently have would be the non-cruelty and the vegan products. So once we're able to do that, we will put our better products out, and this will make customers want to buy our product over theirs, which will then in turn more income. Form partnerships with companies like PETA to gain exposure. So if you do not know, PETA is a company that helps animals that are tortured and being used negatively. So if we're able to partner with a company like that, it forsures to the public that we are cruelty free and we are serious about it, which allows for a greater positive atmosphere and a positive look at our company. Finally, changing to being vegan friendly with our products allows the business to begin receiving more sales since more people will buy products, as well as giving the company new opportunities with branding and advertisement. So now that we are trying to change to vegan friendly, once we start coming out with products that can be branded as such, we can then advertise and promote to hopefully increase our sales. What role does this contribute to the industry? So, changing to a cruelty free company as a multi-million-dollar company shows the cosmetics industry the seriousness in using our ethics and morals towards animals. So, this means that uh, our step to the right direction allows others to view the same steps we made and understand why they're more positive than negative and switch with us so that every company can then move from being cruelty free and as well as they can start making more sales by themselves. So changing to vegan friendly products contributes by providing products that can everyone can use and creates a way to make companies be truthful with customers and their ingredients.
In conclusion, we hope the new position we created will one day become a part of L'Oreal in hopes of creating a more eco-friendly company. We strongly believe the position we created not only benefits the company and the environment, but also brings a better view upon the company, creating a more beneficial experience for all. We think this position will truly add a different dimension to L'Oreal.